It's a perfect balance of what you'll expect. We've got the salty, the buttery, the tangy pretzel goodness combined with the crisp, clean, and subtly sweet notes of the slow pour Pilsner. This is Brews and Bites.
Brews and Bites, let's go.
Try it.
They definitely know how to lager hard, so to speak. I went right in with the cheese dip here, but really what you're looking for is that salty, crisp, delicious, refreshing, a little bit of sweet. It helps you not be so drunk on a Tuesday day before volleyball. I love that it's served with cheese, because it makes it feel like more filling to me, kind of like a cheese sandwich.
Okay.
I love a good cheese sandwich. Also, the cheese is such a savory flavor, so savory, salty, crisp, refreshing, a little bit sweeter, right? Because we got the slow pour. It cuts out a lot of that carbonation, giving it that sweeter effect. So good.
Thank you.
Yum. Wow. Better than coffee and cigarettes.
So I'm really looking forward to is this extra breadiness and the little crispy outside. You got the salt, of course, but the cracker and the bready combo. I'm going to go in with the old mustard, a little bit of spicy mustard going on. And let, hopefully, as it should be, the mustard kind of shine through and cut through the bready crispiness and add that nice little spicy punch that the beer in itself should help accent a little bit with the crisp and the extra carbonation, but overall should kind of cut it down so it's not so overpowering. I mean, the pretzel will be the star. That's what I'm going for. Yep. When you stir it, you get all like the bitter and the tart from the mustard. Swish it out, gets rid of a lot of that mustard spice, and just lets the bready of the pretzel just shine strong and be delicious. I can't let Liz just do cheese because I love cheese.
Yum.
A little sweet, a little peppery. The peppery is going to pop with all the extra carbonation of the Pilsner specifically, and the light crackery. Almost like a pepper jack and cheese and cracker kind of combo going on. Yeah, I mean, you can't go wrong. We went easy on this one, not gonna lie. We were like, hey, we want to eat some pretzels and drink some beer, and it's been phenomenal. They kill it. These pretzels are absolutely outstanding. Thank you for joining us this week's episode of Brews and Bites. We paired the perfect flavors of the beer stout Bavarian pretzel with their slow pour Pilsner. Can't imagine why they have both of them on. Oh yeah, it's because they're perfect together.
It truly is the definition of perfection. It's actually in there. It's a little footnote.
Yeah.
It says perfect pairing.
It says it in the salt.
Oh yeah.
Sprinkled on.
The salts of faith. The faith of salts.
Right. Yeah. If you found any of this educational, and if you'd like to learn more about how you pair your bites with your brews, make sure to check out Lizzie's own Beer Basics. Beer Pairing Basics. You can get on Amazon. We got a link below. It's a great read. It's a lot of fun. Liz even designed the pictures herself. She did all the work in this. There's a lot of good work done in this, and it'll just elevate your drinks and your food all at the same time. It's great.